Mythbusters. Today we are going to be talking about pre-qualifications versus pre-approvals. I'm Shannon Carter. I'm a real estate agent and investor.
I'm Jackie Hurtis, and I'm a residential mortgage lender. And we are missing Sasha today, who is out sick. So we're going to try to get through this without her. And we're
the property queens.
So Shannon, have you ever taken a buyer out? You spent all Saturday looking at properties only to find out that they do not qualify for the houses that you were showing them.
Yep, all the time.
Happens all the time. So today I just wanted to clear up a myth that I hear a lot, pre-qualifications versus pre-approvals. Those words are used interchangeably a lot and they really are not the same thing. Pre-qualification is essentially a conversation that you have with me over the phone. We talk about employment history. You tell me how much money you think you make, and then based on that, I talk about the debts that you think you have, and then once I have that information, we come up with kind of a ballpark sales price that you qualify for. This happened to me recently. I did a pre-qualification for somebody. Based their income off of a 40-hour work week. They told me they were paid hourly, so they got all excited and went and looked at properties over the weekend, found one that they loved, and decided to make an offer on it. And then I received the pay stubs that following week, only to find out that we couldn't use any of the income from the pay stubs because it was variable income, and the guidelines required a 2-year history of receiving that. So it really is important to take that next step and do the full pre-approval. So pre-qualification, just a quick conversation with me. The full pre-approval, you send me your documents, which we went over in a previous video. 2 years of tax returns, 2 years of W-2s, pay stubs for the last 30 days, and then bank statements for the last 2 months. It really is important that I see all those documents before Shannon takes you out and you start looking at properties, because you don't want that same thing to happen to you. Shannon doesn't want to spend the weekend showing you houses that you may or may not qualify for. You also don't want to fall in love with a $500,000 house only to find out that you qualify for a $300,000 house. Pre-qualifications are easier to do with people who are salaried or hourly. So there's really no way to guess if you're self-employed, things like that. People, real estate agents especially, people who are paid 1099, you guys are considered self-employed, so your tax returns really tell me what income I can use for you. So let's say you're Shannon and you tell me you make $100,000 a year, but you wrote off $50,000 of it on your tax returns. I have to go off the tax returns, so I'm using that $50,000, where we just did the pre-qualification and I went off of $100,000. The house you qualify for would be completely different. So it really is important to just take that extra step and do the full pre-approval. We have that conversation, you send me your documents, and I pulled credit. So you know when you're out there looking at houses that you qualify for that house. You're not wasting your time, you're not wasting Shannon's time.
I've also had a client where we actually went as far as getting everything under contract. We were probably 2 weeks from closing to verify everything again, doing the final step of getting everything.
The whole process?
Yeah. And she did have a salary-based job, however, she was on leave. And with her being on leave, and she wasn't going to be back before we were going to close the house, there was nothing saying that she was going to go back. So the whole deal ended up unraveling due to that too. So things to definitely think about.
Yeah, that just goes back to one of our other videos also. Tell us all the information up front. Don't leave anything out. If you know that you're taking leave, let us know that ahead of time so you don't get a week or a day before closing to find out that the deal is going to fall apart. Give us all the information up front and you'll be better off down the road.
Found this helpful. Till then, we will see you next Tuesday.
Bye!